Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, yet beautifully drawn picture of a house. This sketch, made entirely by hand, captures the charm of a classic home. Let's take a closer look. On the left side, we can see a tall tower-like structure with a triangular rooftop and a half-circle window near the top. This gives the house a castle-like look. Below that, there are two long, vertical windows that add elegance to the design. In the middle, we find the main section of the house. There are two square windows placed side by side, slightly slanted, giving the drawing a more lively, realistic feel. The entrance is drawn with a front staircase leading to a door in the center, framed on both sides by walls. To the right, there's an extended section of the house with a smaller window and a support pillar underneath. Just above that, we can see two trees in the background, adding a touch of greenery and a peaceful atmosphere to the overall scene.